this video, I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys asked me, and I'm saying you guys because I asked for questions on Instagram, but y'all follow me on Instagram, right? No? Let's fix that right now. It's at ChantayLainey. You follow me? You found me? Okay, great. So let's get into the question, see what y'all ask, what you want to know. Alright, so the first question, which is actually the last question that I got, is where can I get that hair? And I don't know, y'all. I got it from Petite Sue Divinity. I don't know who the hair company is from, but I will link it in the description. I'll get the link from her because she got the lowdown on all the wigs, y'all know. So from there, I will just link it in the description and you can pick up this wig if you want. Alright, next question. Somebody said no. You're so funny. Alright, next question. Ooh, spicy. You have a boyfriend? I don't ever claim these niggas, so no. But for real, I don't. But even if I did, my answer would still be no. Because niggas will embarrass you. Period. So the next question says, hi. Hey girl, how you doing? What do you do for work and are they hiring? So I am a marketer. I sell products that probably you don't need, but I convince you that you do, because you know that's just what I be doing for a living. Are they hiring? Always. I mean, girl, you go on Caribbean Jobs, you can see all of the posts. Go on LinkedIn Jobs, you can see all of the posts. You know, we work remotely now. You can go on Glassdoor and all of these online sites and find places of employment. Like, get your money up, get your coins up. You ain't gotta work where I work. You probably don't wanna. Next question is, how old are you? Saw your birthday celebrations but still not sure cause you a keep secrets. Well, you answer your own question. Me I keep secrets, so I'm gonna tell them how much now. It's a secret, but ain't nobody gonna know. For real though, I'm in my 20s for now. But yes, I'm 25. You know, I'm 20 something. That's my age. Thank you. Why did you decide to cut your hair? I think I got this question like 4 times. The full story is on my I cut my hair off video, so I link it in the description and in the cards for you to watch. But honestly, there's no real reason why I cut my hair other than I wanted to cut my hair. Like, I always wanted to cut my hair off and go blonde, and I figured, what may I wait upon? Like, I'm 20 something. Like, life is running away from me, so let's just do things, you know? No real traumatic, nothing, just like a girl wanted to cut her hair off. Alright, next one is, my hair nicey, marry me no? I want to know the hair we are talking about, the bald head or the area. Either way, thanks, because this nice and the bald head nice. Mario, show me the ring first. I'm sorry, show me the ring first. You know, I know you. You seem like a great guy, but what that money do? My grandma always told me you can't marry poor. Like, she's like, you're not gonna be happy because you're too busy being poor. Ooh. What's your biggest fear? I suppose like never like being really happy or finding something that actually satisfies my soul, you know, like not growing, not experiencing new things, just not developing as a person, just like that level of stagnancy. Just like, ugh. I don't like that for me. Okay, the next question is, I ain't asking you, shh, I'm mad at you. First of all, niggas be crazy, because who are you? I don't even know you. I'm sorry you're using your feelings to be mad at me. Let's move on. So sorry about that. another question about the wig. Somebody says, are you gonna grow your hair back? Not anytime soon, truthfully. I feel like there's so many different things I want to do with short hair, different colors, different cuts. And I'm gonna explore that before I grow my hair back. Next question is, are you a man or a woman? Mama asked you so. Why it matter to you? All my reproductive organs are freaking. Eh? That is none of your business. That not help you have clear skin. That not help you achieve more in life. Focus on you, boo. Focus on you. Alright, the last question is, what things do you find attractive in a guy, both physical and non-physical? Physical, I like men with nice teeth, with pretty hands, big pretty hands. I love that. I prefer a tall man. What do I consider tall? Anything above 6 feet. Anything under that, you're just as short as I am. Sorry. What else do I like in a man? I like skinny men, but like skinny men with like muscle. So you know, them still look strong and you know, like, you know, big strong arms to hug me and stuff. What was the other part?
Non-physical.
Non-physical. I like a man that can make me laugh, but not like a goofy man. You know them people who just like love run joke. I always, you know, like them kind of man there. You know, annoy me. But I like a man that can make me laugh. I like smart men that can teach me things that I always feel like I'm learning, and I'm, you know, like we can have intellectual conversation. I love that kind of thing. I like honest men, you know, men that are good at communicating. So, you know, we can talk about our feelings and learn and grow and move on and, you know, stuff like that. But we don't have a claim these niggas. Just, you know, in case y'all forgot what I said in the first part of this video. So I don't feel like you guys asked me enough questions on Instagram, so I'm gonna put Mikal on the spot and have her ask me some questions. So Mikal, let's go. Lloyd, ask me a question.
What's your favorite color? Also, what is your greatest hairstyle?
Ooh, okay, Lloyd with the questions. First of all, I'm gonna answer what my favorite color is because he's 8. If you're a grown man and you're dating someone and asking them what their favorite color is, maybe you should be trying to grow yourself instead of trying to find a relationship. Well, my favorite color is orange, and Glenna and Marion will tell you that I don't know myself and my favorite color is really lime green, but it's orange. Don't say that to Glenna? No. Okay, I'm sorry, Glenna. Leilani's defending you out here, okay? The next question is, what's my favorite hairstyle of all time? Honestly, I think the first time I went blonde was my favorite hairstyle. I don't know if it was because it was something new, but I felt the most liberated, I felt the sexiest, I felt pretty, like, I just felt like the hairstyle was an embodiment of like everything that I feel on the inside, you know, bold, strong, sexy, all that. I'm about it. Lloydie came with some good questions. Good job, baby. If you did enjoy this video, leave me a orange and a green heart in the comments, because apparently my favorite color is green, but it really is orange. So leave me an orange and a green heart in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. You can ask me your own set of questions in the comments and I'll answer them there. I have no issues with that. Talk to me, y'all. Talk to me. Alright guys, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.